around. Lady casting down.
Magulit din, pero medyo mabuti ang karera.
Oo.
Medyo
Challenge siya na sa
challenging ang side din.
Oo. Hindi masyadong mainit, pero mabuti. Kaya sigurado yung tuling uniform.
Ng savior.
Oo. Ano na ngayon? Ano na? Dahil white. Ito naman sila nakapag, wow.
Oh, she got it. Now can she hold on?
Isang beses pa.
Come on, girls. There we go. Now you're gonna hold on. Come on, Bull. Put up a fight. Oh, it's gonna lay down again. Oh. There you go. There's a better shot where it's got to go over the back. She throws it under. They cinch it through. Watch though. Oh. It has to be on the back. Now they pull it. Those legs. It has to lay down in a certain way, which the bull is not cooperating. And the fellow in black shirt is in there to loosen up the rope around the neck so the bull can still breathe.
Sinisiguro ko na hindi naiipit-ipit gano'n. Kumbaga yung safety ng baka, importante yan. Ang mahal kaya ng isang baka. Diba yung sa'yo, yung isang ganyan mata.